both have that taste in men.
Breakout stars of 2025. Real action. Dustin Yu and Gavin Rivera. Infilmed by the highest grossing MMFF director, Bruce Alvin.
Negative times negative. Positive. Suwana.
Grabe! Kanya-kanya lang cheer dito sa Dolphin Theater.
Speechless po talaga eh, pero grabe, sobrang nakakatuwa na makita yung trailer. Grabe kasi yung naging preparation namin, kumaga lahat ng pagod, lahat ng puyat, lahat ng stress na dinanas namin while shooting this film, parang naging worth it talaga eh.
Right.
Dito ba lang sa trailer. So nakakatuwa at gusto talaga. Sobrang grateful na.
For me, sobrang iba-iba yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. Hindi ko ma-explain, pero one thing is for sure, sobrang saya ng puso ko ngayon. Worth it lahat. At hindi na ako makapaghintay mapanood yung pelikula kasi talagang napakaganda nito, promise, as in.
Bianca, your very first lead Star Cinema GMA Pictures and Regal Entertainment movie. Anong nasa isip mo? Iiyak ba yan?
Grabe, ganito pala pakiramdam maging matupad yung pangarap. Sobrang surreal ng moment na to for me, Sir MJ. Parang I've waited for this moment my whole life, ever since bata pa lang ako. Syempre, I've always grown up watching Star Cinema movies, and of course, seeing our very own trailer, grabe, apaka-rewarding. And, siguro, I don't know, parang natutuwa lang talaga ako para sa little Bianca na nangarap. I'm so proud of her. And dumating kasi ako sa isang point ng buhay ko, syempre, alam ng karamihan before BBB na hindi ko alam kung para sa akin ba yung mga pangarap ko. So, to that old version of Bianca, mag-antay ka lang. Darating ka rin siyan. So, maraming salamat po sa mga taong naniwala po sa akin. And those times wherein I really doubted myself, Star Cinema has been there for me since day one. Sabay sila nangarap kasama ako, and through thick and thin, they've always been there for me. So maraming salamat po to Sir Chris Gasman, of course, Tito Cory, Sir Carlo, of course, Direk May, was my first director ever. Now we're here, we have our first movie. And of course, thank you so much to GMA. Thank you to Regal. I know na bago lang po ako sa inyo and wala pa po akong napapatunayan. But thank you for giving me a chance to do this. Thank you for giving me a chance to share my craft with you. It was such an honor, and maraming salamat po.
Parang tapos na yung press con, no? Hindi pa.
Sorry.
Iisip din talaga akong gawin para
Makadagdag sana.
mas maramdaman ko, mas maramdaman namin. Minsan, surprise ko na lang, gano'n. Minsan sasabihin ako ni Direk, ganito gawin mo, sabihin kayo.
Gano'n!
Oo.
Hindi ko matsama kayo. Okay.
So, yun. Kasi mas naging natural siya. Mas nakakadagdag siya ng kilig sa eksena.
Like what? Ako yung like what eh, no? Kasi gusto ko nang maramdaman eh, yung kilig na sinasabi. Kaya ka nagugulat ka pag may ganong surprise na wala sa eksena.
Oo, super. Kasi syempre, in order for you to deliver a good rom-com movie, syempre hindi naman isang klaseng kilig lang yung kailangan mabigay mo, especially sa mata. Kasi umaakit yun sa mata. So, kunwari, eksena kami. Tapos, ina-expect ko, kunwari, gagawin to ni Willer, gagawin to ni Dustin. Surprise ako! Biglang may ibang ginawa. So, syempre, diba, iba yung reaction mo, mas natural yung reaction. And that's what I like about Direk May. She did it with us a lot of times, not just with the emotional scenes, but the kilig scenes as well. Nakita talaga namin yung art ng isang Direk May Cruz.
Kasi Minsan kasi sa isang eksena po, Sir MG, meron kaming mga bagay, ako personally, meron akong bagay na ino-overthink gawin. Pero pag nandun na kami sa eksena, pag nasa zone na talaga kami, kusang lumalabas po yung mga ganung bagay. So, ang masasagot ko po dyan, meron talaga.
Okay. Overthinker ka ba?
Sobra.
Sobra.
Hindi naman sobra.
Ikaw nagsabi ng sobra.
Medyo.
Medyo.
Yata.
Ayun. Dustin, ikaw naman. Ganun sinabi ni Will.
Parang, hindi.
Hindi na.
Hindi na. Siguro kasi, Sir MJ, yung kilig, nanggagaling sa pag-compromise talaga namin lahat.
Okay.
Hindi ko nandun na. Yeah.
Like, for example, yung scene na Bianca na parang nari, hawakan ko yung kamay mo, ha?
Hindi, I think it was also natural.
Natural.
And sobrang natuwa ako habang nagtitaping kami because syempre with Dustin, first time ko siya makilala sa PBB and syempre ibang experience naman yung naramdaman ko doon inside with him and our chemistry inside was so different from taping. And with Will naman, syempre this is her second project together. So parang ang masasabi ko with the both of them, the kilig that they both give me is different.
Okay.
Kumbaga yung nabibigay sa akin ni Will, ganito nararamdaman ko, kilig siya pero may ibang klaseng spice. Same goes with Dustin, kinikilig ako pero may ibang layer siya. So I think that's why, you know, that's what the fans saw in the three of us. Kaya rin naniwala sa amin yung mga taos because subconsciously, hindi namin napapansin na chemistry-wise, we all bring something into the table.
Pero pag LA, ano ka sa buhay ni Savannah?
Siguro ako, ni Savannah, savior.
Kaya mo yan, Will.
Ang hirap ng tanong kasi every time tatanungin ka, what makes you deserving or what makes you the right person for that person? Oh, I believe kasi na walang tamang sagot o walang iisang sagot para dun sa tanong na yun. But it's really more of the efforts, I guess. And feeling ko dun mas na nagmamatter.
Talaga, Sir MJ, I'm such a lover girl. I love
What do you mean by a lover girl?
Like, I love love. I love talking about love. Gusto ko yung minamahal ako at may nagmamahal sa akin.
Yes.
I love love. I think it's so beautiful. Pero siguro, growing up, syempre iba't ibang klaseng love naman yung na-experience natin lahat. Syempre iba't ibang love yung nabibigay natin sa bawat tao na nakakasalamuha natin. But I think isa lang yung common denominator nilang lahat for me. I feel like love is unconditional. It comes without, again, no conditions. Para sa akin, parang tuwing tinatanong ako, lagi pag-interview, paano mo malalaman kung mahal mo yung isang tao? The thing is, with me, I can't pinpoint it. Ang alam ko lang is that mahal kita. Yun lang. Walang specific reason, walang expectations. I just love you. So I think love is unconditional.